It felt like yesterday when you came into my life. Always thought that you'd be true and never tell a lie, until this very night when you chose to throw away everything that we made. It sounds like a mistake for you to make the promises that you can never keep. It burns me inside out, if you know what I mean. You look me in the eyes and you tell me that you love me, but I'm just too blind to see it's all a lie. Hurting all the years that I've wasted all my tears, crying for the love that I hope we could have shared. You push me every time when I try to get near, and you chose your friends over me throughout all these years. How much I try to bear when tell me it's not true. Maybe it's the fact that I really love you. I give up anything for us to be one. So tell me now, oh baby, why do you have to be gone?
Oh baby, tell me why I'm here alone tonight, crying my eyes out dry, denying all your lies. Oh baby, can't you see I'd do anything for you? Why you gotta play me for a fool when I push anyone away just for you?
I wanna believe that me and you can last forever, when together me and you will always love each other. But reality is setting in, and I know in time one day you gonna go away, leaving tears in my eyes. I love you no matter what, that's what you always told me. I'll choose you over anything, over anybody. The words that you speak is so easy for me to believe. That's why I'm here tonight, cry myself to sleep. My friends try to pull me from the pain tonight, but I just can't go on without you by my side. Haven't I given up to prove my love for you? Giving up anything to remain as a boo. I know I ain't the best, that's why I hate myself, cause I can't make you stay when you really wanna go. Am I just another person for you to kill your time? Or am I the one that you'll love till the end of your life?
Oh baby, tell me why I'm here alone tonight, crying my eyes out dry, denying all your lies. Oh baby, can't you see I'd do anything for you? Why you gotta play me for a fool when I push anyone away just for you?
You know, girl,
baby, tell me why
all the words you said to me
alone tonight,
today actually proves that, you're not as you say you are. It's so hard for me to accept that the one you love doesn't really love you that much.
I'd do anything for you.
I guess it was only me who thought we were in love.
When I push anyone away just for you.
It hurts, girl. It hurts. Maybe one day you'll feel my pain. Maybe one day.